Hey guys, in this video I'm going to talk about a $500 budget gaming build, and with this PC you can play almost every game that is available in the market, and you can play them almost on medium or high graphics settings. Well, for the video we're going to talk about $500 or 50,000 Bangladeshi Taka. Well, I'm adding Bangladeshi Taka because I have a lot of experience and knowledge about this Bangladeshi market, so the price will be on that side of the screen. You can see the price from there. Well, without further ado, let's just get right into it. First of all, for the processor, we're gonna go with a Ryzen 3 2200G processor. Okay, now the reason I have chosen this processor is because this is a really value for money processor. Now you guys may ask, why not Core i3 8th generation? Well, Ryzen 3 costs somewhere around $100, but the Core i3 costs around $120 to $130, and for the $20 to $30 price you don't actually get that much difference. So I think Ryzen 3 is a better option. And as we are on a budget, we are gonna stay on low, I mean a cheaper price. Now for the motherboard, we're gonna go with the Asrock B450M Pro 4 AM4 Plus motherboard. Well, this is a micro ATX motherboard with AM4 Plus socket, and it has 4 memory slots. Now the price of this thing is around $80, or in Bangladeshi Taka 8800 Taka maybe. I mean the price will be there obviously. Now coming on to the RAM, we're gonna go with a G-Skill 8GB RAM or a Corsair Vengeance 8GB RAM, and the RAM will cost somewhere around $45. So you can choose whichever RAM you want, Corsair or G-Skill, it depends on you, but the price will be somewhere around that. Well, now coming on to the graphics card, we're gonna go with a really good graphics card, which is gonna be RX 570 8GB. Well, we're gonna go with the XFX version because XFX company, because it costs less, around $150, and for the price you actually get a great graphics card, and this graphics card can run all of the games quite smoothly, and even if you upgrade the processor in future, this graphics card is not gonna bottleneck easily unless you go with the i9 maybe. So yes, this is a great graphics card. Now after that comes computer casing. Well, for the casing I have given a budget of $30. I think you just choose the casing for yourself, because some people likes like total black casing, some people likes like total glass, side panel glass. I mean it depends on what kind of person are you. Like I have a lot of RGB going on. Some people may not like RGB, so it depends on you. I'll leave that to you, but the price, the budget will be $30. Well, after that we're gonna go with Western Digital 1TB hard drive, not an SSD. Now SSD, 120GB SSD costs around $20, but I couldn't fit it in the $500 budget. But if you can do it 520, then it will be just great, because well, it is really amazing how memories have gotten cheaper nowadays. Now after that we're gonna go with a branded PSU. Obviously we're gonna go with a Corsair CX or VS 450 watt PSU. Now this graphics card and processor takes a lot of power, and this 450 watt PSU will be able to give enough juice for the PC to run quite smoothly. So well, this is it. This is the budget build, and with this build you can play almost every game in 1080p Full HD, obviously in high or medium settings. So well, if this video helps you to get a building, if this video helps you to get started with building PCs and stuff, then please hit that thumbs up button and the subscribe button, because I'll be making a lot more videos like this in different budgets. By the way, tell me your budget, I'll help you in the comment section. Obviously I'll try my best. So guys, this is it for today, and I'll catch up in the next video. Subscribe please.